Welcome guys, thank you for watching this video, but before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share it to all of your friends, and also check out the description for further information guys. And now, let's get into the video.
Okay, now let's add a spawn function and let's set the speed back to 16 after, let's say, 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, so, okay, so, yeah, this status right here appears, so get ready, match begins in 10 seconds, and then everyone else is being teleported. But for the player, or in the player's perspective, this and the teleportation happens at the same time. And what this spawn does, so I have already explained it in many videos, it just makes the code below, right here, run apart from the rest. So this wait right here will not pause the whole script, and the script can just proceed with the code down below. So we will wait 10 seconds for each player after, making the player able to move again. Means after 10 seconds, when you are ready to fight, you're able to move again. Okay, yeah. So that's it for this whole thing. Now we need to work on ending the match. So when does a free-for-all end? Either when only one player is alive or when the time is over, okay? And how do we script both of them? So let's create a variable right here called game over, and this is false. Okay, so this value is false by default, and this will indicate when the game is over. Okay, so as I've already told you, this folder holds those who participate in the match, and we can either check if this folder only contains one instance, because as I've told you, my idea is that for every player who dies within the match, when a player dies within the match, he loses his value, or she loses her value, which was inside of this folder. Means that the amount of entries inside of the folder is being less later on, and if there is only one, means only one player is within the match, then we have our winner. So that's the first way to indicate a winner. The second thing is that we can add a time limit which just rewards everyone who is still alive once it's over, okay? So these are the two options we've got. So the first one, folder change, child removed. Okay, this is actually good. Good, child removed. If folder, come on, folder, get children. Wait, let me add that hashtag. So if this thing equals 1, then where is it? Then we have our winner. Now, another thing, let me use this spawn here again. Wait. While game over false do. Wait 1. Status value. Time left. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. So, let me explain what has happened down here. So, first of all, we are referring to our folder, and this child removed right here is an event which recognizes when something has been removed from the folder, which is of course going to be an int value, you know, so those entries I'm always talking about. And if something has removed, then we are checking if the amount of instances within the folder is 1, because that would mean that only one player is left within the match. And that one player will become our winner, of course, and we are going to script that down here. Okay, now the second case I was talking about. So once again, the spawn function, we will need it because we are using this loop right here. So I have made a variable which represents the time which has been, I think the term is elapsed. Let me just Google it. Yeah, so the time elapsed from the match beginning, because we somehow need to show how much time has left. So time elapsed, and while the game is not over, we just continue on counting. So for every second, we are elapsing 1 more second right here. So we are increasing this by 1, means 1 second has elapsed, you know, so on. And we are updating the stats, the status bar, I mean, with time left, and then connecting this string to this string, which is a calculation from 300 seconds, means 5 minutes. So 300 seconds minus the elapsed time, okay? And once our elapsed time, or elapsed amount of seconds, is greater than or equals 300 seconds, then our game is over, means this loop breaks. And just in case that it does not break, I have written another break down here, which will totally make it break. And after, after the time is over, we start looping through the folder right here. And yeah, so every player which remains within the folder is of course a winner. Okay, now let's do that. Okay, so let's continue. Of course, game over right here has to be true. And game over is false. Then game over. Okay. Okay, status value. So All right. Okay, so that's it. That's the way on how you choose a winner and display the winners. Let me test this out, and if it works, then I'm gonna continue with explaining how you actually make the winners display. And then in the last step, I'm gonna make this whole thing continue over and over. Okay? So let me start this, and I'm gonna pause the video again and come back when everything is ready. Okay, so there we go. So hopefully we'll get teleported. Okay, time left. So as you can see, time is elapsing. And as I've already told you, we could now win by so we could either win by removing one of those values from the folder, or by waiting till the time has totally elapsed. And I'm gonna try and remove all of the values from that folder. Okay, let me remove it. Okay, it didn't work out as expected. So they're still there, and it actually caused some errors. Wait. Okay. So let me pause the video again. Okay, so for I don't know what reason, I don't know. So wait. I know why. Wait, I'm so dumb. Okay, so look, I was about to tell that the script will run into an error right here. So yeah, we run into an error right here, but this code right here should be the code which should have been run, but it makes sense. So when game over is true, this loop ends in any case, okay? And then it continues with this thing. So in order to fix that, we would need to remove this and put it right here, and then make the loop break right after. So that's the way to do it, and let me test it out again. And I'm gonna pause the video again. Alright, so there we go. So starting game. Chosen game mode free for all, choosing map now. And Kami's tower has been chosen. Alright. Now we are going to get teleported. There we go. Time left. Yeah, okay, so we are unable to move, but... Wait, no. We should be able to move. Why are we unable? Ah, okay. Now we are able to. Okay, so time left. So the time is elapsing. Let me pause the video again and let me delete the entries for the rest, so that my player right here is the winner. Okay, still didn't work out. I'm gonna come back. Okay, now let's take a look at it again. Okay, so this is the clearing process. I'm gonna see if anything has been fixed now, so I'm gonna pause again. Okay, so here we go. The map has been chosen. Okay. So the match begins in 10 seconds. Let's go. Okay, there we go. So now time is elapsing, as you can see. Oh, wait. Okay, so we have been respawned. Wait, let me pause. Okay, so why exactly? Oh, I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb, guys. I'm so dumb. Of course. Let's remove it. That's supposed to happen after. Yeah, after someone has won, you know? Yeah, totally dumb. I'm sorry. Okay, let's test it out again. Okay, so there we go. Get ready, match begins in 10 seconds. Okay, come on. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so I'm able to move. Now let's wait 10 seconds just in case that we are not getting teleported back again. Okay, works fine. Now let me remove the rest from the folder just to make my player right here win. And as you can see, it has worked. Player 1 has won the game, has won the match, starting a new game. And now everyone is being respawned. Okay. 2 times apparently. Yeah, of course 2 times, because... Okay, and then this does not change. Okay, so... The last things which I'm going to make is that I am going to put this to here again, and I'm going to make this thing repeat. So putting this inside of here prevents the players from respawning for a second time. Now let's create a new function which is supposed to do all of the match code. So copy everything, paste it inside. Now get rid of this. Okay. Okay, match. And down here you do the exact same thing, so match. Okay, so by using the same function within a function, you make it repeat, you know. Wait. Okay, wait. So that's the only restriction. So if we have enough players, if we do not have enough players, then we will return, okay? So that's the only restriction we have. Now let's add match within here. Okay, and that's actually it, guys. Now let me go into some kind of detail right here, for example. So everything after here. Okay, so what exactly happens right here is that we are updating the status bar. So we are getting all of the children of the folder, which is only one child at that time, because we only have one player within the folder, or one entry at least. That's a requirement as far as you can remember. Therefore, we can just refer to the first child, which is of course the first and the only child inside of that folder, and we get that child's name. Therefore, the winner's name has won the match, starting a new game. And this display is there for 10 seconds, and then after that we are looping through every player. Well, we are looping through the players tab, but yeah, we get to do something with every player, and we just make the players, we make their characters load, means they are respawning. And then after this loop, we are destroying the map, destroying the folder, and we are running the whole function again. Okay, and the same thing happens down here, just with the slight difference that we are breaking the loop right here and up here. So we have this loop, okay? We are looping through the folder, which contains, or which can contain many names or many entries, because this is the case for when the time has totally elapsed. And what happens right here is that we have an empty variable, and we fill that variable with information. So variable equals the current value inside, with additional strings. So the first string is this one, okay, the slash, and a second string is the name of the person we are currently at, because we are looping through the folder as far as you can remember, okay? And with every loop, we get to work with another winner, okay? And we are adding that winner's name to this variable till we have all of the winners' names stacked up within this variable, and they are divided by those slashes, you know? So at the end we have a display of, I don't know, player 1 / player 2 / player 3 have won the match, starting a new game. So that's basically what is going to happen when you have won through this time. Okay, and then after 10 seconds, as you guys know, this happens. Okay, so yeah, that's it with this video, guys. There's only one thing missing, which are the rewards, of course. But since we have no stats or anything, we cannot do that in this video. But I'm going to create, or I'm going to be creating some stats in the next episode, or within the next episodes, so we can add up those rewards, you know. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for your overwhelming support. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Leave me ideas in the comment section, guys, and take care, and see you in the next video.